Hi everyone! I believe everyone knows that NESH recently launched an indoor purifier which is the latest one called the NESH Ocean. But do you guys know that NESH Ocean has 4 different methods of installation? First one, we have Model N Ocean Tabletop, which means your indoor water filter is placed on the tabletop, connects to your house, faucet. That's all, simple. For the second installation method, we have Model E Ocean Undersink. On your tabletop, you only notice there's a small water filter faucet, whereby the indoor purifier is placed under the sink. That's simple. For the third installation method, we have Model S Ocean Plasma Tap, which means there's a digital tap that are able to control 5 temperatures and you can get instant hot water just in 3 seconds. As you can see, your tabletop only have one simple tap, whereby the indoor purifier are kept under the sink. For the fourth installation method, we have Model H Ocean Plus All-in-One Tap, which means there's a single faucet. One side can control tap water, one side can control filter water. Not only that, this side can also control hot water. As you can see, the tabletop only have one single tap, whereby all the filters are kept under the sink. Today we have introduced 4 installation methods. If you are moving into a new house, or you currently have an old unit which want to trade in for a new unit, hurry up and PM us to get more details. We are happy to serve you. See you next time. Bye.